One hat, two looks. Brunch or beach, I'm sun safe either way.
I recently got the Silky Reversible bucket hat from Smart because I don't want to get burnt this summer.
Its fabric is UPF 50+ rated, and the lining's 100% cotton, super soft and still breathable. And the soft wire brim keeps its shape, so the wind won't blow the brim into my face. If I need extra hold, I just clip the chin strap or take it off when I don't. No sweaty mess either. The fabric wicks moisture away when you're out in the sun. And it packs down small enough to throw in my bag too.
Aussie owned and made for sunny days. Check out Smart for sun protection and style this summer.